Hello everyone. Today we are making masala dosa stuffing. Initially steam 2 to 3 potatoes until they become soft for about 15 minutes. Peel them off and mash them into a paste and keep it aside. Here are the list of ingredients for masala dosa stuffing. We need 2 to 3 potatoes which are steamed and mashed, half lemon, 1 tablespoon urad dal, 1 tablespoon chana dal, half tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoon roasted groundnut, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 2 to 3 red chillies, 6 to 8 curry leaves, salt for taste, and few chopped green chilies, that is around 2 to 3, and 1/4 of sliced onion, 1 tablespoon mustard seeds, 2 tablespoon oil, and chopped coriander leaves for garnishing. Now the cooking process. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil, add mustard seeds, let it pop, then add cumin seeds, red chilies, curry leaves, chopped green chili, urad dal, chana dal, and mix until they become slightly golden. Then add the sliced onion, fry them for 2 minutes, and then add ginger garlic paste, roast until the raw flavor disappears. Then add turmeric powder, mix well, and then goes the roasted groundnuts. Mix them well until the flavors blend well. Finally, add the mashed potato, mix until the flavors are well blended. After 5 minutes, add chopped coriander leaves, cook for an additional 3 minutes, then switch off the flame and squeeze 2 tablespoon lemon juice into the mix. Here is the masala dosa stuffing is ready to serve. Using this stuffed masala, we are going to make masala dosa. Take 3 scoops of fermented dosa batter into a bowl, add a little water with a salt, and adjust the batter consistency to spread like a crepe or dosa. Now take the crepe pan or dosa pan, heat it and grease it with oil and wipe off the extra oil with a tissue paper and start spreading the batter in a circular way just like a crepe or dosa, and drop a tablespoon of oil around the dosa around the edges to make it fry in a beautiful golden color. Once it is about to turn to golden, now add the masala stuffing at the middle of the dosa and allow it to fry for about 2 minutes, and flip the dosa to the half and take out from the cooktop and serve it on a plate. Now we are going to make two delicious chutneys for this masala dosa. For the red chili chutney, blend 1 chopped onion, 1 garlic clove, 1 pinch cumin seed, salt for taste, and 5 to 6 red chillies to a fine paste. Now the groundnut chutney, roast a cup of groundnuts and blend them with 2 fried green chilies, 1 garlic clove, 1 pinch tamarind, 1 pinch cumin seed, and salt for taste. Blend to a powder, then add 10 ml of water and again blend to a paste. And for an extra flavor, add a tadka of mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and curry leaves and have this hot tadka into the chutney. Please give a try to this recipe at home and leave a comment how it turned out. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Happy cooking. Namaste.